In the beginning, those who were interested were more like hippies. Buddhism has become very popular. One, maybe due to teachers like Thich Nhat Hanh or His Holiness Dalai Lama. There are some good teachers also. But primarily, I would say the teaching itself. Because the Buddha's teaching itself says, don't follow blind faith, don't follow me because I am famous, but just like the goldsmith judges the gold by cutting, rubbing and putting under the fire, similarly, whether it's a obvious phenomena or slightly hidden phenomena, completely hidden phenomena, you just use your common sense and experiment and judge. And through that, if you find it is useful, then follow it. So that's not only a challenge, but also gives people confidence that it really looks like this is a religion which has the confidence to say that check. It's not, even when we talk about, yes, in Buddhism also we talk about faith, but in the case of the development of faith also, it primarily says develop the faith of the intelligent, the type of the intelligent people, meaning that the faith which is based on scrutiny, judgment, not just blind faith. And then that goes very well with the today's scientific world, and that's why so many leading scientists are now having so many discussions with the Buddhist scholars. You see, now people who come to study, they are more serious, because now they see the worth and the importance of Buddhism. It is spreading to many countries, and it's really benefiting them. So therefore now not only individuals but university students, scholars, researchers, countless people are coming to do more rigorous study